Understanding Sacred Oath, a guide to English idiomatic expressions. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, sacred oath. This is a common expression in the English language, often used in formal and solemn contexts. Whether you're learning English as a second language or just curious about idiomatic expressions, this video will help you understand the nuances and applications of sacred oath. Let's dive in. An oath is a solemn promise, often invoking a divine witness, regarding one's future action or behavior. When we describe an oath as sacred, we are emphasizing its seriousness and the profound commitment behind it. A sacred oath, therefore, implies a pledge or promise that holds significant moral or spiritual weight and is often seen as unbreakable. Sacred oath is often used in legal, religious, and ceremonial contexts. For example, in court, witnesses take an oath to tell the truth, which can be considered a sacred promise to uphold honesty. Similarly, in many religious traditions, individuals take sacred oaths as part of their commitment to their faith or religious duties. Let's see how sacred oath can be used in different sentences. 1. The knight took a sacred oath to protect the kingdom at all costs. 2. In the ceremony, the leaders exchanged sacred oaths of allegiance. 3. Taking a sacred oath of marriage signifies a lifelong commitment to one's partner. It's important not to confuse a sacred oath with casual promises or vows. A sacred oath carries a deeper moral or spiritual significance and is usually formalized in a significant ceremony or ritual. That's all for today's video on the phrase, sacred oath. I hope this has been enlightening and helps you appreciate the depth and solemnity of this expression. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more English language learning content. See you in the next video.